But what about how you're going to fix or join the cabinet parts together? That's commonly known as fix-ins or fasteners. Let's take a look at a few common scenarios there. So as you can see here, I've got a qualified dado construction with a break at every time there is a screw fix-in. Maybe you don't use qualified dados or mortise and tenon and you just choose to use one of the various fix-ins available on the market. As you can see on screen here, I'm assembling this cabinet using the lamello cabineo system that is flush mounted. In this example here, I'm using a cam with an outrigger hole. In this example here, I'm using the Clamex fasteners. In this example here, I'm using a dowel construction. And this one here, I'm using the if peanut construction method. And in this example here, I'm using the lock dowel fixing method. In this example here, I'm using pocket screws. So as you can see, Mozaik gives you many choices for how you might choose to join these parts together. We find that most people are probably going to go for something like just a standard screw construction or a conformat screw construction where you're going to screw and butt the cabinets together. However, it's as flexible as you need it to be to join parts the way that you would like to join them. So if we jump into the joint templates area of Mozaik, this is where you can then drop the menu down and you can choose a hardware that's already been predefined. These are readily available in Mozaik and there's more options that you can download from our download center. So these are incredibly configurable. You can come in here and you can add boring operations, you can cut grooves, you can do 32mm line bore of operations, you can do a toolpath or a pocket. In this example here, the lamello cabineo system is flush mounted. It has three 15mm holes that overlap each other, and then it has a pocket there that is going to pocket out for the flush cover. So it's very easy for you to edit, but it's also very easy for you to design a custom operation that might be new to the market. From there, you have the choice to then determine how the connection works between different types of parts. So you can set a simple array where you can determine the inset in from the front of the cabinet, the inset from the rear of the cabinet, and then the maximum separation that you would like between each fastener. Again, this can be done in millimeters or inches. So when you combine the option to be able to control the way that the parts are joined with the way that a cabinet is assembled or constructed in general, gives you just a lot of flexibility here in determining the way this box goes together, and you can get it dialed in exactly to build cabinets the way you would like to build them. So thanks for watching. I hope that's been informative, and I hope it gives you a bit of an insight into the flexibility of Mozaik being able to quickly put together a parametric cabinet in the way that you would like to build them.